In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Zoho CRM account. By the end, you'll have your own account set up and ready to explore, even if you're completely new to customer relationship management tools. Let's start from the very beginning. On your computer, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar or search bar at the top, type Zoho CRM and press enter. You should see the official Zoho CRM website appear near the top of the search results. Look for the result that clearly says Zoho CRM and mentions Customer Relationship Management. Click on that link to go to the official Zoho CRM homepage. Once the Zoho CRM page loads, take a moment to let it fully open. On this page, you're looking for the main call to action button that says Get Started. This is usually highlighted to stand out, often near the top center or top right of the screen. When you see the Get Started button, go ahead and click it. This will take you to the Sign Up or Sign In page where you can create your account. Now you're on the account creation page. Here, Zoho typically gives you two main options. You can create a new account by manually entering your details, such as your email address and a password, or you can sign in using your existing Google account. If you prefer to keep things simple and you already use Google, choosing the Sign In with Google option is usually the fastest. If you go that route, click the Google option and a new window or pop-up will appear. In this Google sign-in window, you'll be asked to select which Google account you want to use. If you see a list of accounts, click on the one you'd like to connect to Zoho CRM. If your account isn't listed, you may need to add it by entering your email and password. After selecting your account, Google may show you some permissions that Zoho is requesting. Read through them, then click to allow or continue if you're comfortable. From here, simply follow the on-screen prompts from Zoho. This may include confirming your country or region, setting your language, and possibly answering a few quick questions about how you plan to use the CRM. Continue clicking through each step until you reach your Zoho